friends, welcome to Sumikaya Kalpam. Hope all are well. Today I am going to share with you easy technique to take care of our oily skin. So as we know that our skin having three layers, that is the upper layer which we can see through our naked eyes, that is known as epidermis. Then the next layer is dermis and the last one is subcutaneous tissue. So epidermis, whatever product are available in the market, starting from the moisturizer, all the cosmetic products that we are applying over the epidermis, which we can see through our naked eye, but it's not the true skin. Almost it is a dead skin. The actual skin is just beneath this epidermis, that is a dermis, which having other features of the skin like the oil gland, the sweat gland, the root of the hair, erector pili muscles, sebaceous gland. So the sebaceous gland which present at the dermis level, here I am going to show you the picture of the skin, go through it. So as per this picture, the epidermis containing having oil gland, that is known as sebaceous gland. The excessive secretion of that sebaceous gland causes our skin oily, and lack of secretion of sebaceous gland or the sebum from the sebaceous gland makes our skin dry, and the balance amount of oil from the sebaceous gland keeps the skin normal or natural skin, which we can say that the velvet is shiny, smooth, lovely skin. So all are dreaming for such type of skin. So come to the point, what are the reason behind this oily skin? Oily skin due overproduction of sebum is the main causes for oily skin. So various reasons are there that can stimulate or that can the sebaceous gland to produce more amount of oil, like first one is that excessive amount of white carbohydrate in our diet, like the white bread, then pastas and white rice. So next is stress and anxiety. If you are suffering from regular stress and anxiety, that is also a cause of overproduction of sebum. Then the third one is lack of exercise, and the fourth one is excessive exposure to the sunlight. Another important point is that medication. Those who are suffering from any kind of chronic diseases and going through the medication, there is the chances of overproduction of sebum. And one more point, 6 point is there, that is the suppression of immune system. So the first point regarding that excessive amount of white carbohydrate in our diet, that we can deal with easily. So avoid all type of white carbohydrate products in your diet. Follow a balanced diet that having sufficient amount of protein, vitamins and minerals. Then next is you need to moisturize your skin regularly. Whatever moisturizer you are using for your oily skin, that should be free from oil. Remember, that should be free from oil. Next is how to overcome the stress and anxiety. So there is a very easy technique that we can be adapted to overcome your stress and anxiety. Go for yogas, asanas, pranayamas and mudras. That you can that all these videos are available in my channel. So for that you can go through the videos and get overcome the stress and anxiety. Next is your excessive exposure to the sunlight. So avoid sunlight. If it's necessary, go out, and while going out, use a sunglass, hat, umbrella. If required, use any sunscreen lotion. Then the next step is your medication. So if you are going through the medication, it is necessary to overcome the chronic diseases. So you can adopt any natural technique of cleansing, like your neti, kunjal, Shatkarmas. These are known as the Sarkarmas. You can follow Tratak, you can follow Lagushankha Prakaran, Kapal Bhatti, Nauli, and soon I am going to prepare videos on these Shatkarmas also. Follow those videos. Then the next is our most important point, how to take care of this oily skin to overcome the pimples, acne, blemishes, scar marks and patches. So at home you can take care of your oily skin in a easy technique by using the products available at your kitchen instead of the highly costly products that are available in the market, who giving you an assurance that they will overcome this problem, but it's only temporary solution. So basically there are 6 to 7 techniques that can help you to overcome this oily problem. First one is your cleansing. Second is scrubbing, that is also you can follow weekly once. Then if necessary, go for steaming. Then nourishing, after nourishing pack, after pack go for toning, and the last technique is your cold compression. So come to the point, cleansing. But before that, I like to request all those beautiful ladies and persons, those who having oily skin, facing these problems in their day-to-day life, please avoid makeup, especially the foundation that may be in any form, in a liquid form, compact form, or in pancake form. You can go for lipstick, you can go for eyeliner and shadows, but please do not use any kind of foundation. That is the worst and the biggest enemy for your skin. So protect your skin from that foundation. Instead of that, use a oil-free medium moisturizer and go for a translucent powder. Next, another important point, if you feel that your skin becoming oily throughout the day, wash it thoroughly. Keep the moisturizer inside your bag and use that after every wash by using the clear water. If you are not getting water or not having that facility, you can use any damp or wet tissue for cleaning your face. After that, moisturize your skin, and don't forget to moisturize your whole body by drinking 10 to 12 glasses of water and by applying a good quality of moisturizer. So to come to the first point, cleansing. For oily skin, we can use natural cleanser like curd, tomato juice, or else if you are going to the market product, go for a gel based cleanser that is very good for your skin, or else you can use astringent by help of a damp cotton. Gently, thoroughly apply the gel throughout the neck and your face. But remember, if you are using any astringent or mint gel or any gel form cleanser for oily skin can be applied over the lips and eyes. If you are going through astringent, do not use over the lips and eyes. Remember, eyes and lips area cannot be used by the astringent. So after cleansing your skin, if you think that scrubbing is necessary, in my previous video already I explained how to prepare that homemade scrubber. Use that homemade scrubber again by mixing with curd or tomato juice or potato juice. Gently massage it, then wipe it out. After that, if required, if you think that blackheads are very stagnant and they are unable to move by scrubbing, then go for steaming. If you are going for steaming, weekly once you have to steam your face. Use a big container, boil the water and take a big towel and steam your face thoroughly. After that, just remove those blackheads and pimples, parcel of the pimples by help of a comedone is available in market, or else you can use a cotton along with astringent and gently remove the parcels or blackheads. After steaming, the skin becomes soft and open, so it is easy for you to remove all those blackheads and parcels. After removing that blackheads and parcels, next step is how to nourish your skin. For nourishment, you can take 2 teaspoons of honey, add 5 drops of lemon juice, then pinch of camphor, pinch of turmeric, then you can add 10 drops of onion juice and 10 drops of potato juice. Mix it thoroughly. Onion and potato juice are the natural bleaching agent, that too onion having antioxidant property, and it also containing vitamin C, folic acid. These are the natural ingredients that helps to reduce the black patches and further infection that is occurring due to the excessive secretion of oil, and also reduce the pimples, acne, blemishes and scar marks. So gently massage your face by this mixture of natural nourishment medium. So we have 6 imaginary line at our neck, that is 1, 2 and 3. Then this side 1, 2, 3, 6 imaginary line. Then at the face, this is from jawline to the base of the ear, corner of the lips to the middle of the ear, then from the corner of the nose to the temple area. So it will cover your cheek area completely. Then come to the laughing line. This is called as the laughing line. So this should be given in a upward direction. Then side of the nose in upward direction, breathe of the nose also upward. Then at the forehead again we have 6 imaginary line. This is the 1, both side 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6 imaginary line at the forehead. And regarding your eye massage, you have to use the ring finger only upper lid, inner corner to outer, lower lid, outer to inner. This is the direction for your eye massage. For lip massage, you can go clockwise and anti-clockwise. Remember, while giving eye massage, you have to use the ring finger only, because there is no muscles, it is a delicate area. If you are using other fingers, there may be chances of pain at your eyes. So gently massage your skin by on this imaginary line by using your fingertips and finger pads, whatever is comfortable for you, in a smooth way. Oily skin don't need much pressure. Remember, 3 things are very important while giving massage. That is the direction already I showed you, that is up and out direction, then the pressure, and another is timing. These are the 3 important things while giving massage and nourishment. So in this, whatever direction I showed you, by using the fingertips and pad, by using this medium, just gently massage your skin for weekly 15. If you are going through this technique weekly once, then 15 minutes. If you are following this technique regularly daily basis, then 5 minutes only. After 5 minutes or after 15 minutes, then the next step is application of pack. So for pack, again take some sandalwood powder, or else you can prepare the sandalwood paste naturally at home, and do not add water. Add sufficient amount of potato, whatever potato juice is required, because potato having a natural bleaching property. So add 2 drops of honey with that, 2 drops of lemon, and pinch of camphor and pinch of turmeric. Apply those pack thoroughly throughout the face, excluding your eye area and lip area. Then let it be dried naturally. There may be chances it will be dried after 5 minutes or 20 minutes. Maximum you have to leave this pack on your skin for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, just gently wipe it out by help of a damp soft towel. Then the next step is to toning your skin. For toning, you can take cucumber juice, or else you can use that rose water. By help of a damp cotton, just use that toner thoroughly throughout the neck and face. The toner helps to remove the extra residue of pack and also helps to close the pores. But as India is a hot country, we need to go for cold compression. After that, take an ice cube inside a hanky and gently use that ice cube throughout the whole skin and neck, wherever you applied your pack and where you did your massage. That will help to completely block the pores. If you are not following this toning and cold compression technique, throughout this technique of cleansing, scrubbing and nourishing, due to the friction, the pores of the skins are completely open, and that is a big chance you are giving to the bacteria and virus to attack your skin again. So it is necessary to go through toning and cold compression. So this is all about how you will take care of your oily skin and make yourself free from all these blackheads, pimples, blemishes and acne. And remember, you have to follow this technique every day before going to bed. And after cold compression, I can advise you, aloe vera is available in every house. So cut a small piece of aloe vera, get that gel and thoroughly apply that gel throughout the face and neck and go for bed. Don't remove that aloe vera gel from your skin. And next morning you will find a very soft, smooth, very velvety, shiny skin. Do this technique at least for 1 week and write me down how you feel and how your skin feels. Subscribe my channel, watch my videos, follow my techniques, like it, share it, and do not forget to write your comments, suggestion. It is very necessary for me, and I have many more videos in my channel. Go through it and take care of your skin, take care of your health. Keep smiling, stay safe.